Hello students, welcome to the class of TYBC once again for the next subject, that is green chemistry. And here we are going to discuss about the last unit, that is future trends in green chemistry. Here the syllabus for this future trends in green chemistry is biomimetic reactions, photochemical reactions, multifunctional reactions, green chemistry in sustainable developments. There are three lecture only and for 5 marks only. Biomimetic synthesis. Biomimetic is the study of the formation, structure, or function of biologically produced substances and materials and biological mechanisms and processes, especially for the purpose of synthesizing similar products by artificial mechanisms which mimic natural ones. आपल्याला एक शब्द माहिती मित्रांनो, मिमिक्री. मिमिक्री म्हणजे काय? हुबेहूब ॲक्शन करून दाखवणे किंवा हुबेहूब एखाद्या कलाकाराचा आवाज काढून दाखवणे, एखाद्या पक्ष्याचा आवाज काढून दाखवणे, त्याला आपण मिमिक्री म्हणतो. तसंच हे रिॲक्शनच्या संदर्भात बायो मिमेटिक रिॲक्शन्स आहेत. म्हणजे ज्या नॅचरल रिॲक्शन्स आहेत. बायोमिमेटिक इज अ स्टडी of formation, structures, function of biologically produced substances, materials. These biologically produced substances are prepared artificially, is known as mimic natural ones. Mimic natural ones. Artificially रिॲक्शन केमिकल निर्माण करायचे किंवा रिॲक्शन घडून आणायच्या आणि असे केमिकल निर्माण करायचे की जे नॅचरल सारखेच असतील, म्हणून त्याला मिमिक नॅचरल वन असं म्हणतात किंवा मिमिक नॅचरल सबस्टन्सेस असं म्हणतात. द बायोकॅटालिटिक कन्व्हर्जन हॅव मेनी ॲडव्हांटेजेस in the relevance to the green chemistry. Some of these are: most of the reactions are performed in aqueous medium at ambient temperature and pressure. Means the biocatalytic conversion have many advantages in relevance to green chemistry. म्हणजे ग्रीन केमिस्ट्रीच्या संदर्भात जर म्हटलं तर बायोकॅटालिटिकली रिॲक्शन्स असतात ह्या बेनिफिशियल असतात. ज्या आपल्या जनरल ज्या प्रोसिजर्स असतात की एखादा सिंथेसिस असेल त्याची जी प्रोसिजर असली की डे टू डे लाईफमध्ये जे आपण वापरतो त्याच्यापेक्षा बायोकॅटालिटिक ज्या कन्व्हर्जन्स प्रोसेस असतात ह्या रिलेव्हन्स आहे. बिकॉज देर इज मोस्ट ऑफ द रिॲक्शन्स आर परफॉर्म इन ॲक्वेस मिडियम, म्हणजे पाण्याचा वापर जास्तीत जास्त तिथं केला जातो. ॲम्बियंट टेम्परेचर जे पाहिजे तेवढं टेम्परेचर किंवा प्रेशर किंवा असं म्हणजे अति टेम्परेचर किंवा अति प्रेशरसुद्धा त्याला लागत नाही हे बायोलॉजिकल रिॲक्शनसाठी. द बायोकॅटालिटिक ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन नॉर्मली इन्व्हॉल्व ओनली वन स्टेप. प्रोटेक्शन अँड डिप्रोटेक्शन ऑफ फंक्शनल ग्रुप इज नॉट नेसेसरी. जनरली बऱ्याचशा रिॲक्शनमध्ये एखादा फंक्शनल ग्रुप लॉस होऊ नये याच्यासाठी तो आधी प्रोटेक्ट करावा लागतो. नंतर पुढची रिॲक्शन घडून पुन्हा तो त्याला डिप्रोटेक्ट केलं जातं. परंतु बायोकॅटालिटिक रिॲक्शनमध्ये या प्रोटेक्शन आणि डिप्रोटेक्शनची गरज भासत नाही मित्रांनो. द बायोकॅटालिटिक रिॲक्शन्स आर फास्ट अँड कन्व्हर्जन आर स्टेरिओस्पेसिफिक. दिस रिॲक्शन इज व्हेरी fast and stereospecific. The earliest well-known example of biomimetic synthesis is Sir Robert Robinson organic synthesis of alkyl tropinone. Here, this is alkyl tropinones. Here, the reaction takes place, cyclization reaction takes place. Here, this bond is joined here. This one is also joined here. In this way, such cyclic compounds are formed and the product obtained is known as tropinone. Such types of biomimetic reactions is also easy to carry out in the green chemistry. Now, the photochemical reaction. The chemical reaction takes place by the action of light are called as photochemical reactions. Photochemical reactions is initiated by the absorption of energy in the form of light. The consequence of absorbing light is the creation of transient excited state of molecule whose chemical and physical properties differ greatly from the original molecules. The excited state chemical species can change to new structure, combine with each other or with each other molecules, or transfer electrons, hydrogen atoms, protons, or their electronic excitation energy to other molecules. Here the photochemical reactions, here the reaction is generally is carried out by the action of light, hence it is known as photochemical reaction. जे सूर्याची जी ऊर्जा आहे, सूर्याचे जो लाईट आहे, त्या लाईटमुळे जी रिॲक्शन घडते त्याला त्या रिॲक्शनला फोटोकेमिकल रिॲक्शन असं म्हणतात. In photochemical reactions, this reaction is generally initiated by the absorption of energy in the form of light. म्हणजे एनर्जी ॲब्सॉर्ब केली जाते कशामधले, लाईटमधले. हेन्स द एक्सायटेशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, एक्सायटेशन ऑफ ॲटम, एक्सायटेशन ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल or conversion of molecule takes place with the absorption of energy from the light. Hence this reaction is very eco-friendly reactions than other reactions. Photosynthesis, for example, the photosynthesis is a photochemical process by which the green plants, seaweeds, algae, and certain bacteria absorb solar energy and utilize it to convert the atmospheric carbon dioxide to carbohydrates in the presence of water. In the photosynthesis, plants convert the energy of sunlight into chemical energy by forming carbohydrates from the atmospheric carbon dioxide and water and releasing a molecular oxygen as a byproduct. Friends, here this one is the photochemical reaction given here. Here the natural source, that is carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide and water react with each other in presence of natural sunlight. Thereby the carbohydrates are obtained. Due to photosynthesis of this carbon dioxide and water, this carbon dioxide and water produce in forming a carbohydrate which is known as chlorophylls. In presence of water, photosynthesis plants convert the energy of sunlight into chemical energy by forming carbohydrates from the atmospheric carbon dioxide and water and releasing a molecular oxygen. This is glucose. What is this glucose is obtained from these carbons. It is also known as carbohydrates. It is also known as carbohydrates with the release of oxygen. The Paterno-Bucci reactions is photochemical reactions that forms four-membered oxytane ring from an excited carbonyl and reacting with an alkene. Photochemical cycloaddition of carbonyl compound and alkene is olefin to give a four-membered ether oxytane. Here this is carbonyl compounds, or ketonic group we can say that. These carbonyl compounds, when react with this alkene, what happens? This oxytane, means ring compound is obtained. Ring compound in this way is obtained. It is known as oxytane. Four-membered rings is known as oxytanes. It is also a photochemical reaction. If H mu is there, then we can say this reaction is photochemical reactions. Means photochemical reaction means it is carried out with the help of light. Light energy is responsible to carry out such types of reactions. Photofreeze rearrangement is the photo-initiated rearrangement of phenyl or, or, or aryl ester gives a mixture of ortho and para-acetophenols. Usually, this reaction is carried out in aprotic solvents. Here, this is phenyl ester. This is phenyl ester or aryl ester, aromatic compound म्हणून aryl ester असं म्हणतात. ROOR, aryl ester. Here, it is also photochemical reactions. Here, ortho-acyl phenol. This one is the phenol, and at ortho position there is acyl group. COR. This is the acyl groups at ortho position of the phenols, hence it is known as ortho-acyl phenols. While here this acyl group is at para position. This is ortho position, this one is meta position, and this one is para position. Hence this one is para-acyl phenol. This is phenol, and this one is the acyl group. This acyl group is attached at the para position of this phenol, hence it is known as para-acyl phenols. Photochemical reactions have also been studied in solid state. The photodimerization of cinnamic acid takes place in the solid state to give a dimer troglyceric acid. This one is the cinnamic acid. Here COCOON. This one is the group which are attached here to benzene ring. It is the cinnamic acids. Here dimerization reactions, dimers are produced. Dimer म्हणजे दोन सारखे ग्रुप आहे. हा ग्रुप आणि हा ग्रुप हा जवळपास सारखा आहे. डायमर म्हणून याला डायमर. ट्रॉक्झेलिक ॲसिड, that is dimer. This troglyceric acid is a dimer produced by photosynthetic reactions of cinnamic acids. Now, the next reaction, it has been reported in 1980s that the photochemical reactions can be conveniently carried out in aqueous phase. The photodimerization of coumarin is carried out in water with better yield. The yield of dimerization of coumarin in water is 100 times more than that of methanol and benzene. This is curamine. This is coumarin. This one is coumarin. The photochemical reaction takes place in presence of water. It is very faster, 100 times more than that of methanol and benzene. With coumarin in water is used photochemically. Here, this dimer is obtained. It is also a dimer because both groups are same. Here, attached to each other are same. Hence, it is known as dimer. In this way, we have completed these topics today. Okay, take care. Goodbye.